Hi everyone, so in this video we will be creating a Medium article by utilizing ComfyUI Media Mixer and Whisper nodes. So the workflow is very simple. First of all, we'll just go to Media Manager and install these two nodes. So I have already installed Media Mixer and Whisper module. You can do the same as well. So this is Media Mixer and another one is Whisper. It would be somewhere in install module. Name can be different. It would be, I think, ComfyUI Whisper module or something. Yeah. So this is the one, ComfyUI Whisper. So you can install these two nodes, Media Mixer and Whisper. So let me just explain the workflow very quickly. So after downloading these two modules, Media Mixer and Whisper nodes, we will simply create the workflow to create this Medium article. So first of all, we need a YouTube downloader, which will be provided by Media Mixer. So it takes the YouTube URL and download whatever path you put it here. So I'll be using ComfyUI output folder, and we can also change the resolution from here as well. We can save as MP4 and we can also save just the audio as well. I'll use 360 for the resolution because we are not dealing with the video file here. We just need that audio from the YouTube URL, and I'll be using this URL. This is my own video, and this is the smaller one, 2 or 3 minute video, so it will be quick. I think for this node everything is done. We do have the YouTube URL, download path folder, resolution, and these two we can keep as it is. The next node, just to load that audio which will be downloaded from that YouTube URL, load audio path is there, so we'll use this one. This is the audio path. Now the audio which will be downloaded by this YouTube video downloader will be given as input to this node. This is coming from video helper suite. If you don't have this one, you can simply go to ComfyUI manager menu and just download it from there only if you don't have. And so now we do have the audio as well, and we will apply the Whisper node here so that this audio will be converted into the text, and then we will use that text to write that Medium article. Apply Whisper module. So we'll use this Whisper module. Whisper module is basically, so in that one we have different models, base, tiny, small, medium and large. So I'll be using base model only. We can also use the other models as well. I haven't tried other one, but what is mentioned in the documentation is if you are using medium or large, the accuracy will be much better than the base module. But for now we'll just use the base model actually, and we will provide this audio input to this Whisper node, and after that we will just use another node to display whatever the text is converted. So we'll use our node display any, so we can provide anything here. So this is the text input we'll be providing, and it should give us whatever in that video, and we'll use that text to create the Medium article. Okay, so let me try. YouTube video URL is already there, and I'll just click on Q. Let me show you right now. Whatever it has to do, it is doing their part, and it is downloading that YouTube video, and after that it will provide us that audio file which will be given as input to this load audio path node, and that audio will be provided to apply Whisper, which will convert that audio into text, and then it should show here. If you see, it took 36 seconds, and now Whisper module is doing its work. So we do have this input here, and we'll just select, copy this one, and we'll open ChatGPT here because we will be using ChatGPT to create this Medium article. So you can directly give instruction to ChatGPT here, but so I'll be using this write for me GPT to write this article. So I'll provide the prompt something like that: write an article based upon the below text, And based upon that, this writing GPT should write a medium article for us. Like, you can put it anywhere. I'll be using medium. So the last two article I use this Comfy UI to write these articles, so it is very easy to do. If you see here, our article is ready. So now you can just copy all the text from here and create a new medium article. You can simply copy and paste here, but that way it won't work. So first of all, we'll just copy the title of this article, which is today's top tech stories, and we'll paste it here. And after that, you can use description, and you can tell the story. And after that, you can copy everything we have. First of all, we do have this. Let me just copy. One, then the second news. It's as easy as that. Now, so according to the title of the news, you can also put some images here. DeepMind, you can search for images. If we talk about weather, we can search it for the weather, and we can put it something like that. And then again, we can search for the OpenAI or super intelligence. OpenAI, so something like that. You can put different images as well, based upon these. So you can make this article pretty quickly. It won't take much time. So the purpose of this workflow is basically what happens. Let's suppose I'm creating a video, and I also wanted to write an article on that. But if I have already created a video, then I don't want it to repeat myself and duplicate my work. What I can do is I can use this workflow and simply put my YouTube video URL here, and based upon that, it will provide me the text. I'll just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write an article. And if you see here, if you go to my profile on Medium, the last two article which I have wrote, I use this similar technology, because if you see here, this remove picture background in second and how to separate vocal and music from audio in Comfy UI, I already have these two video on my YouTube channel. I hope you learned something today. So आज की इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Thanks for watching.